Hi guys, so today we're going to be creating a beautiful frame that you can hang up in your home, or you can even use it as a selfie booth. Now this is also an Ikea hack because this did come from Ikea. I did get it from the charity shop or the thrift stores that you guys have in the US, so I have no idea how much it costs. But anyway, we're going to be turning this into something beautiful. I'm going to turn this over and you can see I've got these little clips all over the frame. So I'm going to get rid of these because we don't need it or want it, using some pliers. And I'm going to open these up so I can get rid of this inner part here. We've removed the inside and we've removed all of the black clips behind the frame as well. Now we are ready to go and spray paint this. So my frame is all dry. I think I had to use about 4 to 5 coats of spray paint. That's probably because the blue was very strong. And this part is really simple. All you're going to do is make sure that your hot glue is turned on, because you're going to need that. And then you need some artificial flowers. You're going to take them off using some scissors, or you can also use some pliers. So these are the ones I'm using. They are from Poundland and they're pretty good actually. So I've got some flowers here. I've just had a look around. Now you can choose to just decorate the corner, so you can have one corner here, you can have one corner up there on the other end, or you can do every single corner, so all 4 corners, or you can choose to decorate the whole frame. But I'm going with this corner here and the corner down there because I feel like sometimes less is more. And again, you can decorate this in any colour scheme that you like. I'm probably going to be sticking with the creams and whites and then a dash of pink, maybe some purple, we'll see. I'm just going to get rid of this piece here because it's too much for me. I want it to stick flat, so just give that a quick snip. Right, so then you're going to take your hot glue. Just add a generous amount onto there. And then stick that where you like in the corner. So I'm going to stick mine here. And now I'm taking this white foam rose. And I think these are actually easier to stick on. The plastic is a little bit difficult. So this one should be way easier to stick on. Got a little gap inside there, so we're going to fill that up with another flower. Again, I'm just going to trim it because it's easier to stick down when it's flat. Stick another one just opposite. You know how you get these bouquets and then you have these little bits of greenery? You've got like these, you've got the leaves. I always find that the leaves are quite artificial looking, so these ones here are a bit better. So I'm going to take some of these off. All you need to do is just pull them off, or you can cut them off or use pliers again. We're going to just stick that underneath so that it goes along the frame. I'm using this glitter spray that I got from Poundland. It's covered in gold glitter, so if you like glam, this is really nice. And I don't typically go for glam things, but I feel like it goes really well with what I'm making at the moment. So I'm going to be cutting some of this off to use. These are really fun to make for baby showers, bridal parties, anything like that really. So now I've finished this section, I'm going to just try to replicate this down there. So we're going to just switch the frame around so we can work on the other end. I'm removing these parts here because it's kind of harder to stick on. The hot glue doesn't stick very well to it, so I'm trying to remove as much plastic as I can. So if you've got the floral ones that are made from foam, they work really well. I just don't have that many, so I've got to work with what I have. The whole thing cost me no more than £4 to make, which I think is really good because things like this cost a lot of money. So here's the finished project. I absolutely love it, I really do. I think that the colours complement each other, and I'm so glad that I used that Poundland spray because I really think that just added that final touch. So there you go, you have your 2-in-1 DIY. You can use this frame as beautiful decor and wall art for your home, or you can use it as a fun prop at parties. If you have enjoyed this tutorial or if it's inspired you, please don't forget to share it, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you aren't subscribed to my channel and you love to see crafty DIYs, make sure you stay and click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.